How do you make more money but by keeping the same number of clients? In this video, I want to share with you a method that I use very successfully and I still teach today that helped me to make more money but without increasing the size of my portfolio of clients. You see, for quite a long time, I had 35 personal training sessions per week, about 12, 15 clients, and I had 35 to 40 online coaching clients. Now, this was when online coaching or Instagram really started, and I was sharing some results and I got loads of clients and I got, okay, cool. I can't get any more clients. I don't want any more clients. I don't have the time. And when I speak to coaches nowadays, all they want is more clients. All they want is to just get more and more and more. And I said, well, talk to me about your current portfolio right now. Talk to me about the results you're achieving, the type of clients you're working with. And I developed a methodology called farming, okay, to help me to not have to constantly be chasing 40, 50, 60 clients, which is what a lot of coaches do today. What I did is I actually looked at my portfolio of clients and I said this to myself, who's making me famous? Now, throughout the whole of my career, especially as I was on the come up, as I was developing, my reputation was the thing that I was focused on. How many results can I get of the standard that I am setting for myself? Now, I wanted to be known for body transformations. That was like the thing that I was really, really, really focused on. And I had a percentage of my clients that were going to be body transformations, and I had a percentage of my clients that weren't. So whatever the result is that you're working towards with your clients, you'll have what I call signature clients, and then you'll have, in all honesty, banker clients, which you're still giving the greatest level of service to, but their progress is slow and they're not really inspired to become your next signature result. If one of your signature results is a record time in 10K running or CrossFit or any degree of physique or fat loss, you need to choose what your signature result is. So I had a kind of a level like this. I had my signature clients and I had what I called my bankers, the ones that will stay with me through thick and thin. They're not really inspiring to me that much because they're not really focused on getting a result. And as my knowledge and my skills and my results improved, this client here was, whilst enjoyable to coach and support, they weren't as inspiring because they weren't pushing forward. So I said, okay, cool. My farming method, I had two batches. I had the clients that were making me famous, i.e. the ones that I was able to share results of on my social media feed, and I had the ones I was keeping. So I looked at this and said, well, let's say, for example, I was coaching 30 people and they were paying $200 a month. That's £600, £6,000 per month. Now, from that, I said, well, what if I was able to charge 400 and I had 30 clients? Okay, that's 12K. What have I got to do this? Well, in farming methodology, what I would do is look at the top performing clients, push the results, push the quality of my clients, and then when I bring in a new client into my coaching program, not only would I charge more to a new client because my results, they were coming in for the result, but I would let one of my clients go. And I'd always have this batch of 10 or 12 clients that are in that kind of what I call the danger zone for them. And when my clients started to realize that, like, genuinely, I know you enjoy working with me, but I'm not the right coach for you to maintain, word got around a little bit. And there's some of my clients that were, okay, I know you're here just to get results with people, so let's go for 8 to 10 weeks and let's push. And then I'd have one of my lower clients would start to push, and then my client became a transformation, and then that transformation was marketed, and then when somebody contacted me, they would be coming on board for that result. And guess what? I charged more. So let's say, for example, I had 10 clients, I was charging 200 a month, that's 2K. If I had 10 to 20 clients that were paying 250, 300, then that's higher than the bottom batch. So as I'd lose one and take one at higher, the higher bracket started to increase my overall turnover every single month. And by the time I'd got to 30 or even 40 clients, and they were all paying £300 a month, I'd slowly but surely just increased and edged people up £100 a month, and then let the ones fall by and move out of the coaching business that were not actually serving me and are being of value to me. Just wanted to stop the video for 2 seconds. Now, if you find my content helpful and you want to learn more from me, you want access to resources, you want more free trainings and live weekly webinars, then make sure you click the link in the description. make sure you head over to my Impact and Integrity free Facebook group. Now, let's get on with the video. The whole point of me sharing this with you is that when you actually look at your current portfolio of clients and you're just chasing more and more clients, what the focus needs to be is, can I see the value in my coaching service enough that allows me to package up and charge premium for the new clients coming in and then allow other clients to move on? Something I want to share with you here is this. In your career, you deserve to get paid well. You're not helping anybody if they're just within your coaching program, not even maintaining and training hard, but just ticking over and taking the check-in or ticking in and taking the one-to-one PT session with you. It's not helping you because you're not being challenged. And this is what happens with so many coaches. They get to 30, 40 online clients or 35 PT sessions a week, and their revenue isn't changing because they're not charging more. They're not charging more because they're not getting great results, and they just end up with a stagnant pool of clients. That stagnant pool of clients ends up becoming less inspiring to you because no matter how much you try and push them, they don't want anything. So you just keep turning up to check-ins and personal training sessions, just demotivated and uninspired. Before you know it, it's 10 years down the line, you're charging exactly the same, and you wonder where your career has gone. You need a strategy to be able to earn more, and I truly believe that you deserve to earn more, and I believe that as your career progresses and you get great results, you should see that reflection in what you're charging, but only if you have a strategy. So my question to you in watching this video is, out of the clients you've got right now, how many would you class as a banker? Out of the clients you've got working with you right now, how many are going to make you famous? If they're not making you famous, what is the value of them being in your coaching program? My clients knew. My mum, back in the day, she had her hairdresser, and her hairdresser said, I'm going to sign up with Mark. And she went, with the greatest respect, he won't work with you. He's like, what do you mean you won't work with? Oh, you're not his ideal type of client. Like, you won't do what he asked you to do. Well, I'll pay him. It's not what he's all about. So because I was employing this methodology, everybody around me got to know what I was doing. And then my reputation starts to build. Mark works with people that get results and that want to work hard. And then what do? Is I start charging more premium for that. Go from charging, making 5.5K a month to 12, 13K with the same amount of clients. It's not about how many clients you have. To me, it's about what results you're getting from those clients. Within that pool of clients, you can just keep farming everybody in and out. You can keep getting better and better results. You can keep getting a better reputation. You don't need to have a lot more clients. You just need to charge the right amount of money for the premium level of service you're delivering and the results that you help people achieve. This is how I farmed my clients in and out, kept the same number of clients, but doubled and more my monthly turnover coming into the business. You can too. You just need to apply this strategy to business, value your time, value the result, and achieve results for your clients. As always, if you found this of value, please click like and subscribe. Follow the channel, click the link in the description. You'll find out more information about how we can help you. And we can do this farming process with you or help you get up to your foundational 30 level of clients and beyond. If you're listening to this on iTunes, please head over to my Instagram, drop me a message or share this on your stories. Helps everybody out there find that the podcast exists, the YouTube channel exists, and helps them to exceed their expectations in life and build a career that they love. For now, take care, and I'll speak to you soon.